Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to my new vlog. So today I have come to Jigani Kere. This is a new place for me, but it is very much famous for um, water birds, you can say, and also some ground birds as well. So this is the first time I have come to this place, and I can see a beautiful sunrise over here. I'm going to show you. So why I have come over here today, especially, I will tell you gradually. So keep watching guys and have a great day, and I'm gonna show you the beauty of this place, so keep watching. See the road. So it's a pretty nice nature walk today. See guys how beautiful the road is. Basically total muddy road, and there is a lot of twitter and chirping from this side. So you can see a lot of gray-headed swampens are there, right? And also glossy ibis. One golden oriole I have seen in this tree, and lots of birds are chirping in this tree. So guys, the muddy road I was talking about, this is a pretty narrow muddy road. Okay, so you have come to this ground, and this is basically the lake bed. You can see the lake, right? And it's a beautiful habitat for a lot of water birds, I can say. And yeah, trails are there you can find, and it's pretty safe for me. So you can reach out as much as you can and find out the birds. Yeah, that's it. And the scenic beauty is pretty good, you know. So guys, nowadays in Bangalore, two birds are really demanding. So first one is red-throated pipit. I think you have seen my Virtul blog. So in Virtul blog, you will be finding that red-throated pipit there. I have uploaded the video. And another one is common buzzard, which is bulky buzzard. So I'm still searching here in this, coconut tree. Somewhere they are sitting sometimes. Camouflage is there, but as it is a little bit bulky, you can definitely find it. Till now I haven't find it, so let's hope for the best, because I have come from far. So I think if I get the bird, I'll be very much happy to go back to the home with this pictures and video. So wish luck for me, that's what I can say. Yeah. So guys, this is the muddy road, right? And you can come to this ground, okay? And this is the tree. Basically this is the tree where it sits sometimes. Yeah, there is the landmark and the exact location, and sometimes this front coconut trees, okay, it will be sitting somewhere. So that is the pointer. I mean, you can get it sometimes over here. You need to watch it very carefully. It's a little bit shy bird, that's what I can say. Guys, still now waiting for the beautiful bird. I haven't even got it. So for the best. So guys, finally after a long wait, I have found this buzzard. It's a very beautiful bird, man. Unbelievable. So take a look. So guys, I'm lucky to see a lot of golden oriole in the same tree at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the behind that tree also, there are few, 4 or 5. Oh, so beautiful. You can see so many golden oriole. 8 or 9 male and 1 female I could see. So in this tree, guys, you can see 3 tree pipits are sitting. Beautiful bird. Can you see those are moving? I'm seeing 2 Shikras, 1 male, 1 female adult. So they are continuously hunting, and I've seen 3 or 4 peafowls also. It's a very peaceful place, but if you come here, guys, please don't make noise. Don't harm the environment at all. You just do birding and you get lost from here. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Guys, can you see that oriental darters are flying? Beautiful bird, huh? Those are flying. So on the way you will find another ground here. Okay, you can do birding here also. You can see one big tree, right? Not banyan. Which tree is that? Tell me, guys. So here I have heard a lot of sound of parakeet. Maybe owl we can find. I don't know. Let's see. Let's go nearby. Yeah, guys, I was right. So in this tree, I saw one spotted owlet. Okay, chased by a common myna. Let's go nearby the water body and see what I can get. It's pretty nice, huh? Oh, Mother Nature. See the beautiful water body. So guys, you can see this reed, right? Oh, here Definitely, you must find some craigs in the morning time. Okay, it's a bit late right now, so maybe it's hard to find. I can see one little egret, some burnt swallow is flying around, and few beaters are there. Hey guys, we planned this bougainvillea in our house, okay, and here it is totally abandoned. And look at the beauty, man, with that muddy road, with this color and this bougainvillea. All over the way, all over the road. So guys, this lake bed is pretty vast, you know, but the main problem is we target morning time, right, for the birding, but it is opposite of that sunlight. So probably for those water birds and some waders, you can come by evening. While walking, you need to keep your eyes in those coconut trees, because sometimes raptors are sitting on the branch, you know. Guys, see this chico tree. So many fruits are there. Wish I could get one. Yeah, so many sunbirds are chirping in this bougainvillea trees. Yeah, on top you can see one, right? Guys, I must say one thing, you must target this place. This place means this is till the end you have to come. So you will find a few bamboo trees behind me, you can see, right? And one nursery is there, this side, one nursery is there. So in this particular area you will find more amount of birds, warblers and bulbuls and some other birds as well, sunbirds. So many different kind of birds. Starlings are there also, and I have shown you this area, right? From here you can access that lake bed, so you can search for birds, water birds there also. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So one thing guys, I haven't covered the entire trail or entire area today because this is a very vast area. You should come here and you should, what to say, oh my god, so many sounds. Okay, so you should explore some more areas and let me know that where you will find more birds. I haven't targeted water body today because I know that there are pretty common bird you can find. Yeah, do come here and explore this entire area. I feel you will like it. guys, it's a lovely birding experience today. I'm just taking rest in the lap of my mother nature. So do come here guys, this is a great place for birding. I didn't know that. After 10 you'll find a lot of raptors activities. I have seen greater spotted eagle, I have seen booted eagle, white mouth, I have seen flying common buzzard also. I guess you have seen in that video those things. So do come over here and let me know how you find that this place. And what else? Yeah, I think that's it for today. See you in another video. Till then, raise humanity and spread peace. Bye bye.